stop. Do not keep on scrolling. This is the only video you need to watch if you want to get the best deals this Black Friday. All right, there's a couple of things I want to put out there right before we start this video. 2 disclaimers. Disclaimer number 1, don't just buy things because they are on sale, because what you are going to end up doing is you're going to end up filling up your shelf with a lot of stuff that you never use, and that money could have been better invested in something else. So keep that in mind. Now, disclaimer number 2, and now keep an eye open for this one. A lot of companies are right now bringing some of their prices down. We're about a week away from Black Friday because they want to be able to bring them up during Black Friday, and all of a sudden, wow, it's a discount. All right, let's go right into the deals. Okay, so as photographers, we can never have too many memory cards or too many batteries. Now, these ones here are great, reliable memory cards. They are fast, they are V60. I do shoot some video too. I can shoot 4K 60 with these cards, and I have no problem with that. And historically speaking, as you can see, I've purchased this before. My educated guess is that these memory cards are going to go down. They are already at a great price for the 2-pack, 128 gigabytes, 2-pack for $77. But I can assure you, this is going to go down for Black Friday. And this is something that's going to happen a lot during this video. A lot of these products are not on sale right now. I mean, the prices are not down at the moment, but since I keep track of whatever happens with a lot of products, that the prices are most certainly going to go down again this upcoming Black Friday. So you can start putting these products into your cart, and then you can make the best decision once the prices go down eventually. Let's keep on going. Something you can't definitely forget about are the Aftershoot deals for Black Friday. That's it. We have some great stuff for you. Editing, culling, retouching, all in one for a whole year with a 20% discount. That's it. Get a year plan with whatever you want for 20% off. This is, you can either go for the culling, you can go for the retouching, you can go for the editing. It doesn't matter. Take advantage of this deal right now. That's 20% for the whole year. You are going to thank me because this is going to be amazing for your photography workflow. You can never have too many batteries either. As you can see, I've also bought this before. These are the Viltrox batteries for the Sony system. Don't worry, they have them for different systems too. So if you have maybe a Canon camera or a Fuji camera, you're most likely gonna find this too. And they are way cheaper than the original batteries your camera brand has put out there. Great thing about these batteries is they last as long as the original ones, and you can charge them individually using a USB-C cable. So if you don't have a battery charger with you and you're like out there shooting something, but you do have a power bank or something, and you have an USB-C cable, you can charge this with your phone charger in your car or with a power bank or whatever. Okay, so you have a lot of expensive gear, right? Cameras, lenses, flashes, and whatever. And you're always looking for the best way to carry your stuff with you and also to protect it. Now, of course, we all have camera backpacks, which we use on a daily basis, but what if I told you there was a better way to store your stuff, maybe even cheaper way, and you can use it to travel, because what I'm going to show you right now is also TSA approved. Let's check it out. Right now on the B&H website, you can find this Pelican Vault rolling case with the dividers right here to keep your gear at $142. Now, this is for the gray one. The usual price for the black one is around $189, $190. So right now you're getting around $50 off if you get the gray one, which is a great choice. Like I said, this is TSA approved, so you can travel with this as your carry-on on a plane and you won't have problems whatsoever. Now, this product is great. I had been looking for one for a while, and as soon as I saw this on the B&H website, I got one for myself. So I'm telling you, if you want to have your gear well protected and you don't want to be carrying everything on your back, then this is a great choice. I would jump on it right now before they run out of stock. Now, if you're looking for something a little more premium, then you can go on the Condition One website and you can find this right here. This is $195. It's a little more. This is also like $34 off. So you are getting a Black Friday deal. As you can see up here, up to 30% on a lot of products. This is a little more expensive than the Volt that I showed you, but if you see the wheels here, these wheels are a little more premium, and I would say the material here looks a little better. Now, if you're looking to spend a little more, then my next best suggestion would be, again, this one right here, by condition one, is exactly the same as the other one, but you get these pouches here where you can keep your gear, where you can store your gear. Now, these are all Velcro stuck to the back of the lid, so you can change whatever you want to change here. And again, the original price is $290, and right now you're getting it for $246, so you're saving around $43. When we're talking about good quality backpacks, and because you want to protect your gear, because you spend a lot of money on this stuff, then the price kind of makes sense because it's what you're paying for the protection. Okay, we're gonna keep on talking about ways to carry your gear because yes, when I do show up on a photo shoot for an event, a conference, a wedding or whatever, I do bring my big backpack. Now it's gonna be my rolling case, and I leave it at a certain spot, let's say something I call base, and then I move around. But when I move around, I'm not carrying my backpack with me everywhere I go. So sometimes I need to change a lens, I need to get a battery, I need to get a different flash, I need to get a second camera. Now, how am I carrying all that stuff while I'm already on the shoot? Let me show you. I use this Wonder Sling. This is a 6-liter one. Right now it's $139. I bought one last Black Friday and it went down like maybe close to $100. I'm not sure. They have a smaller one, a 3-liter one, and they have a larger one, a 9-liter one. Now, this is great. The quality is great. I am convinced the prices are going to go down for Black Friday for all 3 versions. They have these different colors. Whatever works for you, it doesn't really matter to me. I think I picked this gray one right here. Actually, let me show you. So this is the one I have. As you can see, it is a very premium material. You have some dividers inside. This fits like a camera body with a large lens and maybe a second lens here. And there's a pouch for batteries and whatever you need. This is the 6-liter version. So when I am at an event and I already left my big backpack somewhere and I walk around with my stuff, this is what I usually have with me. And like I said, my educated guess is these prices are definitely going to go down. Now let's talk about lenses. The favorite focal length amongst a lot of photographers is the 35mm focal length. Now, granted, 35mm lenses are not exactly cheap, especially if you're talking about f1.8s, 1.4s, and 1.2s. But what if I told you there's something very close to 35mm at a great price right now, and that I am sure it is also gonna go down during Black Friday? Let me show you. Okay, we have this 40mm f2 lens. This is by TT Artisans. This is a very good sharp lens. It will vignette a little, but some people consider that gives your photo a little character. And this is at the moment $168. But this has gone down on previous Amazon days and different dates. So I am sure this is definitely gonna go down for Black Friday. At the price it is right now, it is unbeatable. $168 for 40mm f2, this is unbeatable. As you can see down here, they have it for Nikon, for Panasonic. I'm sure if you search around, you're gonna have different mounts that you can find if you have a different camera system. But right now, this is a great recommendation. Now again, on the subject of lenses, let's say you're thinking about buying a ultra wide lens because maybe you shoot some nature, some landscapes. Let's say you're at an event and you want to shoot the whole conference, or at a wedding and you want to be able to get more of the wedding venue, so you are looking into getting an ultra wide lens. I got the greatest recommendation for you. Check it out. So right here on Amazon, we have this Viltrox 14mm f4 lens. 14mm is extremely wide. They have it for Sony and Nikon right now, and the price is already very low. It's $199. But like I told you before, this is probably gonna go down on Black Friday too, because on previous sales, this went down also. So I am pretty sure this is definitely gonna be one of those things you gotta keep your eye open for during this upcoming Black Friday. Now, let's say you want this 14mm feel of the field of view, then I got this other option. It's basically the same lens, but for the APS-C censored cameras. Again, this is for Nikon and Sony, and this is the 9mm f2.8 lens, again, by Viltrox. The price is the same, and like I told you, this is definitely gonna go down. I got a great recommendation for you. This is a travel tripod, but it is amazing. I bought it myself not too long ago, and let me show you which one it is. So as you can see here, this is the newer tripod. This is only $72 right now, but I am sure this is definitely gonna go down for Black Friday because Newer has great sales during Black Friday. A lot of people question their quality. I'm here to tell you they got great stuff. This tripod, I own this tripod. Let me show you. So I got the tripod right here. It is very sturdy. It is not heavy at all. I mean, I can hold it with basically 2 fingers and I don't have a problem with it. It is a travel tripod, so don't think you're gonna put a lot of heavy stuff in here, but for one camera and one lens, this is more than enough. Okay, let's talk about light stands. That's it for your constant light or for your flash or whatever. If you're looking for something you can move around, that's sturdy, that can hold a lot of weight and it can go high, then Newer also has something for you. The Newer 7.2 feet light stand. Yes, it is silver. Yes, it is shiny. This is probably not the best option if you want to shoot in a studio or something, but if you want something to carry around for your outside shoots, then this is more than enough. It is super sturdy. It is only $46.97, so it is very cheap, and it can carry up to 22 pounds or 10 kilos right here. 22 pounds or 10 kilos. That's more than enough for a large flash and a softbox. And for $47, I mean, that's a no-brainer. And like I said, it's $47 right now, but when Black Friday strikes, this is going to be lower. So if I were you, I would add this to my cart right now. If you're looking for a good softbox, this small rig right here is amazing. Small rig, of course, is going to have Black Friday deals. I bought this one on a deal not too long ago. Right now it's $80. I'm sure you can get it to close to 60 or 50 something. This is very easy to set up. It is very easy to arm and disarm. So I would definitely recommend it. I've been using it for a while. And that's it. Those are some things to keep your eye open this upcoming Black Friday. It's coming any moment now. So pay attention to whatever's going on. Do not buy things that you don't need. And of course, don't forget to follow Aftershoot in all of our social media to be always up to date with the latest we have to offer. See you all in the next one. Bye.